Guys, today we're going to be making some pizza, and we have some special colors of cheeses. What color is this cheese?
Blue.
And what color is this cheese?
Green.
So I have my co-star here, and he's going to be helping me. We just washed our hands, right? So they'll be nice and clean. So this is my side over here. I'm going to do this stuff. And first thing I'm going to do is put a little bit of olive oil on the pizza crust. Okay, we had some technical difficulties, so now I'm back. So my part is going to be putting on olive oil. I don't have a brush to brush this on, so I'm just going to drizzle. Wait. I'm just going to drizzle it on. I seasoned the pizza sauce because pizza sauce can be a little bit tangy. I'm just going to rub the crust together like this since I don't have a brush to brush it on. Oh my god, I'm breaking the crust, but it's okay. Okay, so the next step is adding the tomato sauce. So I have a spoon and you have a spoon. Do you know what to do with this? Okay, get your spoon and you have to be very careful with this. Oh my goodness. Want me to give you some more sauce? You gonna get it? Hold it right. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna spread the sauce out like this in a circle. Need some more sauce? Okay, want me to give it to you or you gonna get it?
I'm gonna get it.
Okay. Ooh, that's gonna be some good pizza. You had a game where you made pizza, right? Mm-hmm.
Game? What game?
You remember your pizza making game? You gotta spread your sauce in a bigger circle.
Now the pepperoni.
Okay, I'll help you. I'll make your circle bigger, okay? Okay. So, now that we did the sauce, we're going to add what?
Pepperoni.
No, we're going to add cheese.
I want the blue cheese.
Okay. I was going to ask you which color you want. So, you can add the cheese. Oh my goodness. Okay. Grab some more. You need the whole bowl. Okay, grab more. Grab more. Get all that cheese. And grab it some more. Good job, helper. So we're gonna let him put the cheese on the other pizza, and I'm gonna spread it out neatly, okay? And you can put that one on there. Just do it just like you did this one. Wow. These pizzas are gonna look so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna clean your hands, okay? Come on. All right, now we have to preheat the oven. And whose job is that? Mine, yep. Because what do I tell you about the oven?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do I tell you about ovens?
They're hot.
Yeah, that's what I tell you about the stove. So Mama is gonna come over here and preheat the oven to 450 degrees.
400? That's too many. It's gonna get super hot.
Yeah, it's supposed to get super hot. That's how stuff cooks. Okay, so let me...
That tray looks just like my tray.
It looks just like your tray? You have a tray like this too? Oh my goodness. You must be a great chef. So now I'm going to do my job and go ahead and spread this cheese out neatly. Okay, so I'll leave it like this. Does it look neat enough? Okay. So now, guess what we can do?
Put pepperoni on it.
Yep. So one is mine and one is yours. How many bowls of pepperoni do we have?
5.
Look, this is one bowl. And how many bowls do we have?
2.
Yes. Okay, so you're going to get your bowl and I'm going to do my bowl. And we just lay it on there. This is fun. You cook with Grandma too, right?
I'm winning.
You trying to race me? You won? Oh my goodness. Okay, now we have to put our pizza on what?
Tray.
Yep, on the tray and put it in the oven. Do you want to move your pepperoni or you want it like this?
Like that.
Okay, so now we're gonna put these lovely pizzas in the oven for 8 minutes and then we're gonna take them out.
8 minutes? Oh, Lord.
Guess what?
What?
We have something else to make.
What?
Strawberry shortcakes.
I want to make a sandwich. Some blue frosting.
You do? I thought about that too, boo boo. We can try to make some. I don't know how it's gonna come out. Look. Oh my goodness. And look, boo boo, we have some primary colors. That means that we can make different colors with these. You remember you learned about mixing colors? So you know what blue and yellow makes when you mix it?
Orange. Red.
Green. And you know what yellow and red makes when you mix it?
Orange.
Yes. So we can make some orange or we can make some green.
I
Or,
want to make orange.
okay, and look, if you mix blue and red, you know what color that makes? It starts with a P.
Pink.
Think about it. You know.
Purple.
Yes. So,
I'm going to make the color purple.
you want to make purple? Okay. You want to make purple, and what do you want to make orange?
Purple and orange.
We can only make one, boo boo.
Purple.
Purple. Okay. So we're going to use these two. And we're going to use some whipped cream. Okay guys, so we're going to be using some Ready Whip. This is the extra creamy blue can. The original one is usually red. I have to shake it up. Want to shake it? Okay. Now, we're going to put this in the bowl like this.
I want to do it.
Okay, just press this with your finger. Just press that white part. Press it down. Oh my goodness. Okay. We got a lot now.
Wow.
We only need a little bit of blue.
I
Wait,
want to do it.
wait, Boo, because this stuff is really strong. And then we need a little bit of red. Put a little bit more blue because I don't want it to get too red. And now, I'm going to start it, okay? Just so. Does it look like it's turning purple? Okay, you want to mix it?
I want to taste it.
Wait, but we're gonna taste it when it gets on the thing.
It looks like it's getting purple right now.
Yes. It's light purple, but it's purple. It looks purple now, right? I have a pack of fresh strawberries. I'm just gonna go over to the sink and clean these so that we can slice them and use them for our strawberry shortcakes.
Okay.
Okay, so you hear that beat? What does that mean?
It's ready.
Yep. So our pizza is ready, so I'm about to pull that out of the oven.
I love when my pizzas are ready.
You do?
Wow! 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 It came out so beautiful.
It did? Okay, we're gonna let this pizza cool off because it's really hot, okay?
Yes!
Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this part because it includes a sharp knife. So I'm just going to be using these dessert shells. They were in the deli section of the grocery store. So first we have to spray some of this on the dessert shells. Put your finger back right here. Circle like this. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Wait. Okay, put your finger on. Okay. Now I'm going to do this one. Okay. And now you can decorate with the strawberries. Okay. What did you do? What did you do?
I don't know.
You ate some? Okay, put more on there. Put one more strawberry. It's good, right?
Mm.
Messy. It's good, right? Okay. Let's stop eating and keep cooking.
It looks tasty already.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is kind of a messy little dessert.
Now I want to taste the pizza.
This is how everything turned out. This isn't like a really serious meal. This is just something to have fun with him. You want to taste the pizza? Which one?
That one.
The blue one? Okay.
Now I'm gonna eat it.
Let me cut it real fast.
Cut it.
Yeah. That's what you do with pizza. Okay, guys. So we're about to do a taste test. He's gonna taste this pizza and tell me if it's good. Write it. Is it good? Is it really good?
Mm-hmm.
It is really good. I'm trying to think what kind of pizza it tastes like.
What does this taste like?
I don't know. But it tastes like pizza and it's good. I seasoned the sauce a little bit so that it can be more flavorful. You want to eat what?
That strawberry shortcake.
Okay, eat some more pizza first. It's good, right? Okay, give me high five. We did a good job, right? Would you make this again?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, that means it really tastes good. Try this with your kids. And thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
We got a dance. That's a good pizza dance. What you think about this?
That one looked like a birdie.
Oh my god.
I want to eat some more.
I'm gonna go downstairs, okay? Okay. Thank you for being my co-star.
You're welcome.